Hello, hi, welcome to Parnika Maths. Today we are going to discuss exercise 4.3, second Roman first problem. This problem is very important for 4 marks. Observe carefully and understand it. See the question. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and then find the solutions. We have to write a pair of equations and we have to find the solution. See the question. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream. In how many hours, ma? 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 kilometers upstream, 55 kilometers downstream. In how many hours, ma? 13 hours. Determine the speed of a stream and that of a boat in still water. This problem is important. Ma, for every problem, I am not writing the steps. You must write by yourself own steps. I am saying the problem how to do carefully. See, 30 kilometers upstream, no? What we have to find? Speed of the stream and speed of the boat. I don't know. Let the speed of a boat be x. The speed of a stream be y. What are the main things? For that I am saying the sentences. For other words you want to write the sentences. See here, I don't know this. I want to find the speed of a boat and speed of a stream. I don't know the speed of a boat. I have taken it as x. Speed of a stream y. Now relative speed in upstream. What is the relative speed, ma? If the boat goes upside means stream will be moving that side, no? Relative speed becomes x minus y kilometer per hour. If it is going downside, what is the relative speed? Relative speed in downstream equals to x plus y kilometer per hour. Why I have written x upstream x minus y and downstream x plus y? How to say? When you are walking, you want to climb steps. You have to get more energy, no? When you are moving downwards, what is the energy? Energy will be decreased, no? షల్ ఐ సే ఇన్ తెలుగు, ఇప్పుడు మెట్లు ఎక్కుతున్నారు. మెట్లు ఎక్కడానికి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీ కావాలా. అదే మెట్లు దిగడానికి కొంచెం తక్కువ ఎనర్జీతోనే మెట్లు దిగేయచ్చు. ఎక్కడం కష్టం, దిగడం ఈజీను. ఫర్ మూవింగ్ అప్వర్డ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సమ్ వాట్ డిఫికల్ట్ వెన్ యూ ఆర్ కంపేర్డ్ టు కమింగ్ డౌన్వర్డ్, నో. సో boat is going upside, stream is moving backside, so the relative speed becomes x minus y. In the downstream, both the boat and stream are in the same direction, so speed becomes more, so x plus y. Did you understand, ma? పైకి ఎక్కడానికి మనకు కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీ కావాలి, అదే కిందకి దిగడానికి కొంచెం తక్కువ ఎనర్జీతోనే అయిపోతుంది కదా మామూలుగా స్టెప్స్ అలా తీసుకుంటే. అలాగే ఒక బోట్ పైకి వెళ్ళాలంటే కొంచెం ఎక్కువ స్పీడ్ని పెంచుకోవాలి, కాబట్టి రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది. అదే కిందకి రావాలంటే ఫోర్స్ కూడా దాని మీద అప్లై చేయడం వల్ల చాలా తొందరగా కిందకు వచ్చేస్తుంది, కాబట్టి స్పీడ్ అనేది తక్కువతోనే అయిపోతుంది, కాబట్టి స్పీడ్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ బోట్ స్పీడ్ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ బోట్ స్పీడ్ మైనస్ అవుతుంది. డిడ్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్, మా? నౌ సీ హియర్ what they said. A boat goes 30 kilometers upstream. 30 upstream. Again one more thing. Time equals to what, ma? Distance by speed. Here I am taking relative speed, no? Relative speed. In the first case, what is this here? See, 30 kilometers upstream and 44 kilometers downstream in 10 hours. Distance by relative speed. What is the distance, ma? First 30 kilometers by relative speed. Upstream, no, ma? Upstream means what is the relative speed? X minus y plus 44 kilometers downstream. Downstream means x plus y. Upstream, downstream, equals to, what is the time taken ma for traveling? 10 hours. Let it be equation 1. In the same way, again, what he is traveling, how much time he is taking? 13 hours. For upstream, how many kilometers he traveled? 40. 40 by upstream speed means x minus y plus 55 downstream. 55 by x plus y. Don't get confused ma. Only one thing is there. Remember one thing. Relative speed in upper stream is x minus y and relative speed in downstream is x plus y. xy means what? Speed of a boat I am taking it as x and speed of a stream is I am taking it as y. We know the common formula. What? Time equals to distance by speed. This is time. This is distance by relative speed. Distance what he have travelled is upstream is 30 kilometers. So 30 by upstream means x minus y. Downstream is 44 kilometers. 44 by x plus y. So I got two equations in the same manner. 13 hours, upstream 40 kilometers and downstream 55 kilometers. By these two equations, if I solve these two equations, I will get the solution. See here. Oh, sorry ma. What are the equations I got now? 30 by x minus y plus 44 by x plus y equals to 10. That is one equation. 40 by x minus y plus 55 by x plus y equals to 13. See here, in the same method, 30 into 1 by x minus y plus 44 into 1 by x plus y equals to 10. Here also 40 into 1 by x minus y plus 55 into 1 by x plus y equals to 13. What in the brackets? I am taking it as PQ. 1 by x minus y equals to P. 1 by x plus y equals to Q. Now substitute it ma. Taking as equation 1, equation 2. Substitute here. 30p plus 44q equals to 10. Here also. Let it be equation 3. Here also. 40p plus 55q equals to 13. Let it be equation 4. Here see. Here 30 is there. Here 40 is there. So, shall I multiply any common values? Nothing ma. To equate it, what we have to do? Multiplying. Shall I take any common values? No need ma. Multiply with 40, here with 30. Equation 3 into 4. That implies multiply with 4 ma. What it will become? Total equation 4 3 is 12. 120 plus 4 4 is 16. 176. Q equals to 4 10s 40. Now equation 4 into 3. Multiply with 3 ma. Complete equation. 4 3 is 12 plus 5 3 is 15. 116. 165 Q equals to 13 3 is 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. That's all no. Now solve this. Just I multiplied this complete equation with 4 and this complete equation with 3. Why? To solve this. See here, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Plus 120p minus 120p. Subtract it. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 11q equals to 10 minus 9, 1. Again 3. 3 minus... here 3 minus 3, 0. So q equals to 1 by 11. Substitute this value in equation 3 or 4. Let me take equation 3. Substituting q value in equation 3. Substitute in this ma. 30p plus 44q equals to 10. Now substitute it ma. 30p plus 44 into q 1 by 11 equals to 10. 11 ones are 11 fours are. So 30p equals to 4 ones are 4. If I send plus 4 to that side, minus 4. 30p equals to 10 minus 4, 6. P equals to 6 by 30. Now cancel it. 6 ones are 6 fives are. Therefore P equals to 1 by 5. We got P value and Q value now. Again, this we have to substitute in equation 1 and 2. Shall I do here? If I turn the page again, it will be difficult. Substituting P value and Q value in equation 1 and 2. Substitute now. How you will get? 1 by x minus y equals to P. That is one equation. 1 by x plus y equals to Q. That is equation 1 and equation 2. 1 by x minus y equals to P means 1 by 5. Here 1 by x plus 5 equals to Q. Q means 1 by 11. Solve it with cross multiplication. How will you get? X minus y equals to 5 ones are 5. Here x plus y equals to 11. Take it as equation 5 and equation 6. Normally you can cancel both, no? X minus y equals to 5. X plus y equals to 11. Plus y minus y cancel. X plus x 2x. 11 plus 5. 5 plus 1 6. 16. X equals to 16 by 2. Therefore x equals to 2 8s. Substitute this x value in equation 5 or 6. Substituting in equation 5. Substitute x minus y equals to 5. X is 8, no? 8 minus y equals to 5. Minus y equals to 5 minus 8. Minus y equals to 8 minus 5 how much? Minus 3. Therefore y equals to 3. Therefore speed of a boat equals to x, that equals to 8. Speed of a stream equals to y, that equals to 3. That's all. Our problem is completed. This problem is, for seeing it is very big problem but very easy to do. See here, I don't know the speed of a boat. I have taken it as x. Speed of a tree, I don't know. So I have taken as y. Upper stream means relative speed becomes x minus y. Downstream means relative speed becomes x plus y. We know that time equals to distance by relative speed. Distance here 30, upper stream means x minus y. So by that two equations we will get distance by speed. Here 30 by relative speed is upper stream x minus y. Again 44 in downstream. 44 by relative speed in downstream means x plus y. How much time is total time taken? 10 hours. That equals to 10. Again 13 hours equals to 40 kilometers upper stream x minus y. 55 kilometers downstream x plus y. We got two equations. You know how to solve that two equations. Taking x minus y as p and x plus y as q. Solving both, we got pq values. Substituting in 1, 2. Again we will get two equations 5, 6. By solving it all, at last we will get xy values. That's all. This is easy problem. Don't get confused. If you have any doubt, ask in the comment box. If you like my video, press on the like button, share my channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.